Sunny.
And I'm Kathy. And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Today we're going to do a garden salad and show you some of the toppings that we like to put on it. So we went to Annie's beautiful garden and just put some kale, just shredded up some kale and some regular whatever lettuce you had. So we're just going to sprinkle that.
All right, we're going to put some sunflower seeds and some pine nuts and some pumpkin seeds.
And I like having the sweetness of the berries, so I'll sprinkle it in dry. You can refresh them if you want to, but I love to just add them dry into my salads. And then I'll also add a few strawberries as well.
Makes for beautiful color. Now, what we've done here is made our own homemade dressing. So we pressed garlic, salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar, and some avocado oil, and mixed it all up. Smell that.
I love that. So it's my favorite.
Yes.
Mom's dressing.
And what we'll do is we'll be making another one,
Like another video on dressings.
Yeah, on how to make this dressing. So anyways, we're gonna pop this on a little bit more.
It's making my mouth water. Love that.
You can smell it. It's delicious.
Just wanted to show
Fresh.
up close of our salad, just to know that you can throw things in dry, you can refresh it, you can top it with anything that you want, and it makes for a great salad.
So if you have any suggestions or comments, do that below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so.
And hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. And
So
remember, you can do
do
this
this too.
too.